Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friend, today in this video I will show you how you can use YouTube as music player in your Realme Narzo 5 Alpha mobile phone. There is one setting in your mobile phone you can enable, and after that you can use your YouTube as a music player. Means your YouTube will run in background. If you are seeing playing some music on YouTube, that music will run in background and you can do whatever on your mobile phone, or you can simply switch off the screen of your mobile phone. So here inside a word phone you can see I'm using this Realme Narzo 5 Alpha mobile phone for making this video. So in this mobile phone you have to go to the special features option is here. Just open this special feature options, and here you can see smart slide bar. Just open this smart slide bar and enable all the functions. All these 3-4 functions just enable, and now after enabling you will get one here slide bar. If you are dragging like here, you can see these functions are from slide bar. So now you have to go to the YouTube. Just open the YouTube, and here you have to select the video, which video you want to play, and then click on this slide bar like this, and here you can see background stream option is there. Just click on this background stream, the top one option. Just click on this, and after that you can minimize your YouTube. Whatever you want to do in your mobile phone you can do, what your YouTube video will run in background. So hope friend this video is helpful for you. If this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.